are new, I will encourage you to just subscribe to this channel so that you may be the first one to get updates whenever I upload a new video. So subscribe and press the bell so that you can get our updates on time. Yo, welcome again to tonight's tutorial. I hope that we will have a good time together. My name is Maestro Salibok, and this is my master class. I've come up with a type of Seben which is called okay, I don't have a name for it, but it is a Seben with diminished chords flavor in it. Remember, I always say that a Seben is a pattern. It's a pattern, and you are the one who makes the rules. As long as you make correct rules and you respect them together with your band members, every Seben is valid. As long as it fulfills the purpose. A good Seben must make people dance to the tune. A good Seben must be always simple and sweet. Simple and sweet. You don't have to play many complications for it to be a good Seben. But tonight, as I said, I am making the rules. I created something specific for you. I put some diminished flavors in it, and I hope that you will love it. Thank you. I hope that you loved it. Now, let me try to show you exactly what I was doing. Let me break it for you. This 7, I am playing it on the key of C, and I'm starting it on first inversion of C. So I am mixing first inversion and second inversion. So I'm starting with the Kents again, third and 1. Then the diminished comes in, and okay, let me start it again. Okay, let me go faster now with it. Okay, now the turn or the second part of my 7 is on the first inversion of C. Now you hold the A minor, yeah, and A minor, you start from there. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are just the colors that I'm putting in it. Now let me start from beginning to the detente. Yeah, I hope that you've gotten. Yes, let me try to play also rhythm with that diminished flavor in it, the rhythm for this particular 7. Okay. As you can see, I was not playing many things. I was just in one place, but I just brought in that favor of the diminished chord. Yeah, I hope I've given you the clue. That is more than what you need for the rhythm of this particular Seben. As I always say, just work on your own Seben, just create your own Seben, be creative, and slowly by slowly we'll be there. We don't have the same level of music, we don't have the same touch, we don't have the same culture. Everyone has its own taste, so just bring your expression in what you are playing, and that's when Africa will win, because we will all maximize on our differences in the way you are doing and the way I am doing. Then when we come together, we bring strength. We inspire as many people as possible. So in case you have questions or you need private lessons, just send me an email and I'll be prompt to return to you. I will give you a full package on a very reasonable price. And even if maybe you don't want to have a private lesson and you just want to encourage what you are doing, yes, you can do it, and we will appreciate so much. Thank you for your time and for being with us tonight. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Ciao, God bless you, and see you next time.